We're going to be doing a candle tonight. We're going to take something very plain and blasé, and we are going to zhuzh it up. I painted these on a piece of copy paper. This is just copy paper. So I'm going to cut them out and I'm going to put them on this candle, but how we're going to do it is with wax paper. Number one, okay? So we got one cut out. I'm just going to do the other two real quick. Okay, we got fussy cut number two. So I'm going to take these birds off this thing, and I'm going to see if I can use this so it doesn't roll around, this little velvet thing here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on with a little bit of Mod Podge. What I'm going to do is just trying to figure out where I want them. I don't want to put them too low because I am going to put a applique there. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to put this trio in the middle with the Mod Podge. But we're going to put a wax paper, heat seal it with wax paper over the top. Right, I'm going to take a little bit of this, it's a creamy white, it's called Raw Silk. I just need a dab of it, just in case I want some dimension to my vines and whatnot. I like to put a little bit of water on my brush and kind of make it soupy when I'm doing my vines. And just kind of play with it. Let it kind of, a little bit more water here. It doesn't take much. Okay. I'm going to dry it off so we don't smear it. So this plastic, this won't work, this technique. But what this does is this is wax paper, okay? It comes on a roll. And I always tell people, put it on the way it comes off the roll. So you know how you can see here, you can just see how it rolls this way. You know, just came off the roll and it rolls this way. That's the way you're going to put it on your candle, so that you can. It's going to release some of the wax and it's going to seal it into the wax of the candle. It's going to marry the two. Okay. Okay. You see how that just kind of wrapped very nicely, neatly and sweetly, and taut. That is the key. You want to make sure it's nice and tight like that, okay? So that when you take your heat tool to it, it's going to seal the deal. I think I'm going to use one of these Totally Dazzled appliques for it. But this little applique from Totally Dazzled will be beautiful right here at the bottom. I just want to make sure that it'll still fit in the tray up here. If I put it here, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I like that. Okay, it's got the 3M sticker on the back, so you're going to just pull off the tape. But here's the thing I like to do. I like to get my E6000 out, and I like to give it what for. Anyway, we've got that. How beautiful. I'm going to take my my Rhinestone applicator pen, and I'm going to add a few I'm going to add some of my rhinestones, but to do that I'm going to need the B7000. Like that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but those are really pretty little rhinestones that I put on there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, the candle holder, and we're going to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. I'm wondering, I want to do this silver hummingbird. The hummingbird to go on it, but I'm debating on if I want the hummingbird to go on the actual, I think it should be by the flowers. Back to the E6000, that's what I'm gonna do. I knew about silver. The Pent Art wax paste, the silver, and I'm gonna take and get in here and just kind of hit it with some, right here, it needs a little bit of black paint, I'm gonna say, just to kind of pull it all together. But I'm gonna do it with the silver wax paste, and then wax on, wax off, and it's gonna get shiny. But I also have these, do I have enough is a question. You know, the bling on a rope you get from Hobby Lobby, I think I have enough. And what I could do, I want to go down these little stripes here. Looking prettier already. All of that pretty bling in there. Can you see how pretty that and elegant that made that? They just kicked it up a notch, did it not? Yeah, I think I have enough to do every other one of these, so that's what we're gonna do. Even if it is every other one, see how pretty that is? I love that. Let's see how our little hummingbirds are doing over here. I think it's affixed here. It's not moving. It's not sliding. That's good. Looky there. Looky there. We got that. How stinking pretty did that turn out?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.